Ever wonder how we first discovered electricity? Was it a big aha moment? Or something much stranger? Well, our journey begins not with a flash, but with a rub. Way back in ancient Greece, a thinker named Thales of Miletus noticed something peculiar. When he rubbed a piece of amber, that's fossilized tree resin, it suddenly gained the power to pick up light things, like feathers or bits of straw. No magic, just static electricity. The very first tiny spark of understanding. Fast forward many centuries to the 1700s and meet Benjamin Franklin. People saw lightning, but what times it? Franklin had a bold idea. He thought lightning was a form of electricity. Many scoffed, but Franklin was determined to prove it. So, he flew a kite into a thunderstorm with a metal key tied to the string. It was incredibly dangerous. But then, zap, a spark jumped from the key to his hand. This wasn't just a trick. It was undeniable proof. Lightning was indeed electricity, from a simple rubbing rock to a powerful lightning bolt. These early, brave discoveries unlocked the secrets of electricity, eventually lighting up our entire world. Pretty electrifying, right?